Did you know that Vegas has a battle on the Strip? The legendary Wynn versus the flashy newcomer Fontainebleau. For years, Wynn has been the gold standard of luxury. But can Fontainebleau steal the crown and redefine the five-star experience? I booked back-to-back stays at both to compare everything, from the rooms and atmosphere to the food and overall experience. If you're planning a trip and trying to decide which one to stay at, this video is for you. Let's break it all down and see which one comes out on top. First, let's talk about the location. Both hotels are located at the north end of the Strip, but Wynn is situated near the Venetian Sphere and Treasure Island, just a short walk or ride to the center strip. Fontainebleau, on the other hand, is at the very north end of the Strip. Honestly, not the best location. It's right across from Circus, and the neighborhood can feel a little sketchy, which doesn't really match the high-end vibe Fontainebleau is going for. If you're planning to sightsee in Vegas, it's not the most convenient spot. So for the location, Wynn is a pretty clear winner. Now let's look at the hotel rooms. Wynn's room is elegant and classic, but the decor feels a little dated. No personal fridge, just a mini bar. The high-tech iPad room controls were cool probably 15 years ago, but now it just feels outdated, and I much prefer a standard TV remote so I don't have to get up to change the channel every time. That said, the iPad control for the room lights, drapes, and temperature all worked well. No complaints there. The room comes with bathrobes and no slippers, which to me is a big miss for a luxurious hotel stay. The bed was very comfortable, and they provide the extra tall back support pillows, which adds a lot to the comfort, and the linens are nice and silky as well. The street view was okay, but nothing to write home about. Now let's talk about the bathroom. It's spacious with a separate tub and shower. But two issues. I found a dirty towel in the sink, which is a minor thing, but the biggest problem for me was the shower. The shower comes with a fixed shower head with no adjustment, which makes it feel more like a budget hotel than a five-star resort. Then the water pressure was super weak, which is a huge letdown and a deal breaker for me. What about Fontainebleau? Is the room any better? The room is sleek and modern with high-end finishes. I got the gold kinged room with the sphere view, and I highly recommend you to spend a little to upgrade to this, as the lowest level blue king rooms don't have good views at all, and having this view made all the difference. The sphere has mini shows running on it, and it makes the room experience that much more enjoyable. Everything in the room is branded with the logo. It just gives a very luxurious feeling. It has a personal fridge, which is a huge plus, electronic controls for lights and drapes. The provided bathrobes are to die for, super soft, like you're wrapped in clouds. And they also provide slippers, while Wynn did not give any. So extra points for Fontainebleau. But that's not all. The bed is easily one of the best hotel beds I've ever slept on. Silky soft 500 thread count sheets and the perfect balance of firmness and plushness. I was very impressed. Fontainebleau's bathroom is sleek, modern, with a dual sink vanity and a massive rain shower. Water pressure was okay. Overall, it felt very high-end. No bathtub in this room type though. So who's the winner for the room and amenities? Fontainebleau, of course, hands down. It's much more modern and a luxurious experience. Wynn's casino was lively, packed, and full of energy. A great mix of high rollers and casual players, and I hit some solid bonuses while I was there. Free drinks came quickly, which is always a win. Fontainebleau's casino is quiet and the vibe was kinda off. I barely hit any bonuses, and drinks never even offered once while I was playing. So Wynn is a clear winner here. The energy and overall gambling experience were just way better. Wynn is home to some of the best restaurants in Vegas. SW Steakhouse, Mizumi, Delilah, and of course the famous Wynn Buffet. Fontainebleau has some solid choices like Don's Pine, Peppy Steak, and Mother Wolf, all received very high praise, but it doesn't quite match the legendary lineup at Wynn. However, Wynn has no casual options, and Fontainebleau has a very nice food hall that has quite a few options that won't break the bank. So while Wynn will likely be the winner for most people when it comes to their restaurant options, personally, I like Fontainebleau more. So I'll call it a tie. When it comes to nightlife and entertainment, Wynn is hard to beat. Excess Nightclub, Encore Beach Club, and the upscale Delilah Supper Club, plus the big production show Awakening and a free show Lake of Dreams. Fontainebleau has Live nightclub and a few cocktail lounges, but it lacks a major entertainment attraction. So Wynn is the winner here, a much more complete nightlife and entertainment package. Let's look at the hotel vibe and atmosphere. Wynn is elegant, whimsical, and polished. It's crowded, but it adds to the energy rather than feeling overwhelming. Fontainebleau is ultra-modern and stylish, but it still feels like it's finding its identity. The crowd is sleek and trendy, but the overall vibe is quieter, not a typical Vegas experience. For me, Wynn is the winner. I prefer that higher energy when I'm in Vegas. What about price and value? Wynn is definitely on the pricier side, but given the location, amenities, and entertainment options, it delivers pretty strong value. Fontainebleau is slightly cheaper, and sometimes you can find offers with dining credits, which could make it a very good deal. I think Fontainebleau is the winner here. It offers a more affordable way to a high-end luxurious experience. So what's the final verdict? I think the best overall luxurious hotel stay award goes to Fontainebleau. The rooms are unbeatable, and if you want a modern 5-star experience, this is the one to try. But the best full Vegas experience winner is still Wynn. If you're looking for the best casino, nightlife, dining, and overall energy, Wynn still takes the crown. So what do you think? Who wins this Vegas battle, Wynn or Fontainebleau? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're curious about how MGM resorts compare, make sure to subscribe. I'll be covering that next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.